what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Reverend. It's your boy Mickey Mac. Guess what? I got another food product review for you guys. I'm going to be trying out the Hostess Crispy Minis. Now, what is that, you may ask? Well, these are cookies and cream wafer snacks. It says creamy and crispy layers, poppable, made with real cocoa, no artificial flavors or colors or high fructose corn syrup. On the back it just says crunchy, creamy layers. Never heard of it. Kind of caught my eye when I saw it in the store. Let's crack the seal and see what's the deal. Man, I can smell them already. Also, you do get a resealable bag. So they're basically just small wafer squares. And I get it, small snack in a small bag, just a quick snack to go, whatever. They smell really good. Definitely smell the wafers over anything in my opinion, but let's try these out. Hopefully they're good. Not too bad, but not amazing. Honestly, I was expecting a little bit something different, or at least maybe even a little bit better. I mean, listen, at the end of the day, they are wafers. Product by Hostess, I would expect anything than just chocolate wafers. You know what I'm saying? That's basically what these are. These are just like chocolate wafers with a little bit of cream on it. That's about it. Nothing too special, to be honest. I'm not the biggest wafer fan, but I do like wafers, I'm not going to lie. But I would not even put this anywhere near donuts at all, especially the other flavors that I've had. I mean, those are the best things that Hostess makes, in my opinion. Nothing too crazy, but hey, if you're a wafer fan, you like chocolate wafers, this is definitely up your alley, especially if you love cookies and cream. As for me, though, I'd much rather have other Hostess products. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. That's all I got for you guys today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Reverend, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is your boy Mickey Mac, as always, and I'm out.